Hi everyone, welcome back to LCJ. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to perfect your tumble over. By the end, this is what it's going to look like. So first we're going to put our arms up and we're going to put them down into a downward dog. Then we're going to put our head on the floor. We're going to push our legs to make this. Let's try that again. And one more time. Now, when we do a tumble over, we're gonna keep our legs in like this. Let's try that. Now we're gonna go, and then when we're here, we're gonna try not use our hands and push up. Let's try that. Well done, everyone. Bye.